Hello, today we are going to learn Estaciones del Año, means seasons of the year. So let's begin. Spring will be called as La Primavera. La Primavera. Summer, El Verano. El Verano. Autumn, El Otoño. El Otoño. Winter, El Invierno. El Invierno. La primavera, el verano, el otoño, el invierno. So if the question arises in your mind why we say el verano but la primavera, the answer is very simple. In Spanish, nouns have a grammatical gender, either masculine or feminine, and this determines the article used with them. El is definite article used for masculine nouns, while la will be used with feminine nouns. So verano is masculine and el will be used with verano. It will become el verano. While primavera is feminine, so la will be used with primavera. It will become la primavera. Genders of nouns doesn't have a logical reason and learners have to memorize it. Hope it helped. ¿Cuál es tu favorita? Means which one is your favorite? Mine is verano. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel to learn and watch more videos. Thank you.